Good evening. Today we are going to discuss about radioactive waste. Radioactive waste. See, in previous classes, what we discussed, what we are discussed, that is solid waste discussed. Then solid waste, Ahmad Khan, case study of remedy of plastic, agriculture waste, integrated organic farming by Ramesh Chandra Dagar. That were all discussed in previous classes. Now come to radioactive waste. So radioactive waste mainly, initially nuclear energy was hailed non-polluted way to generating electricity. So means very important. Initially nuclear energy was hailed, means gained, succeeded. They thought nuclear energy was hailed to produce electricity in non-polluting way. That time everyone happy. But later they found there is a two major problems are there by using nuclear energy. What are the two major problems here? Radioactive waste, what are the two major problems by using of nuclear energy means accidental leakage, first one. Second one, safe disposal. How chances of question may chance to ask, what are the two major problems by handling of radioactive waste or nuclear energy by using of nuclear energy? First one is accidental leakage. Second one is safe disposal. I am going to share the document. You just look it on the screen.
Yeah, you just look it on the screen. Radioactive waste sum. So just now I said there is a two major problems use of nuclear energy. One is accidental leakage. Second one, safe disposal of radioactive waste. So accidental leakage, for example, 3 Mile Island. 3 Mile Island incident was occurred in March 28 in 1979. 3 Mile Island incident was occurred in March 28, 1979 in US. The second incident, Chernobyl incident. A Chernobyl incident occurred on Saturday 26th April in 1986 near the city of Pripyat in the north of Ukraine. So these are two major incidents. 3 Mile Island incident occurred in 1979. Then Chernobyl incident occurs in 1986. The other incident also in 2011, Fukushima nuclear disposal in Japan. Nuclear disaster, sorry. Fukushima nuclear disaster in Japan, that is occurred in 2011. Even question, identify the correct statement about leakage of radioactive waste. 3 Mile Island, 1979. Chernobyl incident, 1986. Fukushima nuclear disaster in Japan, 2011. So then these are the main problems. And safe disposal, radioactive waste also a big problem nowadays. Safe disposal of radioactive waste. Nuclear radiations caused mutations. You know very well. Mutation means sudden changes of DNA. It is lethal at high doses. It is lethal at high doses. But at lower doses, it causes disorders such as the cancer. Very, very important. At higher doses, it is a lethal, died. Lower doses, it causes disorders such as a cancer. So, a radioactive waste is recommended to store. It's recommended to store nuclear waste in shielded containers buried within the rocks. You can look it on the screen. There is a shield container buried within the rocks, about 500 meter deep below the earth surface. So like that, we need to store the nuclear waste. Shielded container buried within the rocks about 500 meter deep below the earth surface. But this thing, the public opposes this method. So this is nothing but radioactive waste. Next concept, greenhouse effect and global warming.
Next concept, greenhouse effect and global warming. What's meant by greenhouse effect? What's meant by global warming? Greenhouse effect, it's come from the word greenhouse glass. Greenhouse glass. A greenhouse glass means what, sir? A greenhouse glass is nothing but it's allow for the growing of the plant. It's giving the warmer condition during in winter season. That is a greenhouse glass. So greenhouse glass means allowing for growing of plants, and it provided warmer conditions during in winter season. How, sir, greenhouse glass provided warmer condition? Imagine the locked car, then all doors are closed, then keep it is in presence of sunlight. There is no chance of heat escape from the car. Inside totally it is a warm up. So like that the greenhouse gases, the greenhouse glass, there is no chance to escape the heat from inside to outside. It's provide warmer condition for growing of the plants during in winter season. That's nothing but greenhouse glass. So the greenhouse effect, the word came from greenhouse glass. Then what's meant by greenhouse glass, sir? The heating of earth and atmosphere. The heating of earth and atmosphere, the phenomenon is nothing but greenhouse effect. So how it is happened? How earth is getting heat? How atmosphere gets heat? What is the main reasons? Then what is the effect of greenhouse? What are the problems will come? How to control? You can look it on the screen. I will share the document.
Yeah, you just look it on the screen. Just now I said greenhouse effect. It's a natural phenomenon. Greenhouse effect means it's a natural phenomenon that causes heating of earth's surface. Heating of earth's surface and atmosphere is called a greenhouse effect. The greenhouse effect, the word derived from greenhouse glass. Greenhouse glass that I had told already. So a greenhouse effect maintain the present average temperature 15 degrees centigrade. A greenhouse effect maintain the present average temperature 15 degrees centigrade. Without greenhouse effect, what happens, sir? So if greenhouse effect is not there, or without a greenhouse effect, the average temperature of earth's surface would have been at minus 18 degrees centigrade. Without a greenhouse effect, the average temperature of earth's surface would have been at minus 18 degrees centigrade. So then minus 18 degrees centigrade, or it is comfortable for growing of the organisms or for living organism? It's not comfortable. So the greenhouse effect must and should required to maintain the average temperature 15 degrees centigrade. Clouds and gases. Clouds and gases reflect about 1/4 of the incoming solar radiation. So whatever the solar radiation comes on the soil, clouds and gases reflect about 1/4 of incoming solar radiation and absorb some of it. But half of the solar radiation falls on the earth and earth's surface heating it, while a small amount is reflected back. So then when solar radiation falls on the soil, earth's surface, when it is heating it, that is nothing but greenhouse effect, where small amount only reflected back, but earth's surface re-emits that heat as infrared radiation. Earth's surface re-emits the heat as infrared radiation. So these infrared radiations or infrared rays are absorbed by the greenhouse gases. What are greenhouse gases here? Carbon dioxide, methane. Mainly carbon dioxide, methane. But 4 greenhouse gases are there. Carbon dioxide, methane, chlorofluorocarbon, nitrogen oxide. The concept try to understand. So half of the solar radiation falls on the earth's surface and heating it. Small amount only reflected back. Earth's surface re-emits the heat in the form of infrared radiation. The infrared radiation again absorbed by the atmospheric gases, means greenhouse gases, mainly carbon dioxide and methane, and so cannot escape into a space. So these infrared radiation cannot escape into space. These gases radiate heat energy, and the heat again comes to the earth's surface. Again comes to the earth's surface, the heating it up again. Then it is causes the greenhouse effect. Greenhouse effect. You just look at on the screen. The gases. What are the main greenhouse gases? Carbon dioxide, methane, chlorofluorocarbon, nitrogen oxide. So contribution of greenhouse gases into total global warming. So global warming, it leads to global warming. Greenhouse effect leads to global warming. So what is meant by global warming? You just look it on the screen. Global warming means overheating of the earth due to greenhouse gases. Overheating of the earth due to greenhouse gases is called global warming. During the past century, the temperature of earth has increased by 0.6 degrees centigrade. Very, very important. Without a greenhouse effect, whatever the earth's temperature, minus 18 degrees centigrade. With maintain the greenhouse effect, what is the average temperature of the earth? 15 degrees centigrade. Then during past century, the temperature of earth has increased by 0.6 degrees centigrade. Most of it during the last 3 decades. The contribution of greenhouse gases in global warming: carbon dioxide, methane, chlorofluorocarbon, nitrogen oxide. So these are very, very important. So how much carbon dioxide, how much methane, how much chlorofluorocarbon, how much nitrogen oxide? That is also very, very important. You see here, contribution of greenhouse gases to total global warming. Carbon dioxide is 60%. You just observe in the left side diagram. Carbon dioxide 60%. Methane is 20%. Chlorofluorocarbon is 14%. Nitrogen oxide 6%. Sometimes they chance to ask pie diagram. Identify A, B, C, D. How much percentage will occupy by these gases contribution in global warming? Such type of questions may chance to ask here. Impacts of global warming. So then what problems are global warming? So greenhouse effect leads to global warming. Then what are the effects of global warming, sir? So climatic changes. What are climatic changes? El Nino effect. Climatic changes. What climatic changes, sir? What climatic changes had been takes place here? El Nino, an abnormal weather pattern caused by the warming of the Pacific Ocean near the equator of the coast of the South America. So mainly here atmospheric changes of due to global warming, that is nothing but El Nino effect. Very, very, very important. El Nino effect anana. Not only that, melting of polar ice caps, Himalayan snow caps also. So then what happened? It leads to rise in sea level. That can submerge many coastal areas. So due to melting of polar ice caps, Himalayan snow caps, then it leads to rise in sea level that submerges of many coastal areas. These are the main problems of global warming. Then how to control of global warming, sir? How to control of global warming? Control of global warming. Reduce the use of fossil fuels, because greenhouse gases are released by fossil fuels, by using of fossil fuels. So reduce the use of fossil fuels. Improve the efficiency of energy usages. And reduce the deforestation and plant trees. Slowing down the growth of human population. So main important problem, identify the correct statement about control of global warming, or what are the important measures to be taken for control of global warming. 2 mark question. Reduce the use of fossil fuel, improve the efficiency of energy usage, reduce the deforestation and plant trees, slowing down the growth of human population. Human population. Planting trees, that is also very, very important to control of global warming. Not only that, international initiatives are also being taken to reduce the emission of greenhouse gases. What are international initiatives? Are Kyoto Protocol,
The effects of global warming we had already just discussed, and greenhouse effect. Then how to control, that also discussed just now. Then not only that, some international initiatives also had been taken for control of the global warming and greenhouse effect. For example, Kyoto Protocol, it was occurred in 1997 to control the greenhouse gases, to reduce the greenhouse gases. Kyoto Protocol. According to Kyoto Protocol, reduce the greenhouse gases emission at level 5%. Below the at level 5%, reduce the 5% below whatever present in 1990. It will be by end of 2008 and 12, we can reduce the greenhouse gases below 5%, whatever present in 1990. So this is a Kyoto Protocol. So Kyoto Protocol is nothing but reduce the greenhouse gases below 5%, whatever present in 1990 level. We can reduce these gases, greenhouse gases, below 5% by 2008 to 2012 period. This is nothing but greenhouse and global warming. In next class, we are going to explain ozone depletion.